boy, also known as Paul Okoye of P Square, had fans screaming this week as he reviewed his new young lover, who is an Instagram model. Hi, and welcome to KOKO Weekly Rundown. On social media, Paul Okoye posted a video of the two of them in church, and while some have come out to hail the singer and his newfound love, the likes of Uche Maduagu have dragged him as he stated that his ex-wife Anita Okoye is better off without him. Once again, Uche Maduagu offers his unsolicited advice. On the other hand, his twin brother, Peter Okoye, dragged Nigerians who always blame celebrities for not helping people. Mr. P slammed them, saying that they should go and hold their government responsible for them not having enough. This one is just angry. Uncle, calm down. Wedding bells are ringing in the air as BBNaija Frodd and actress Empress Njamah got engaged respectively this week, and congratulations have been pouring in. Coming to their daily case, firstly, everyone is pumped to see Davido perform at the closing ceremony of the 2022 FIFA World Cup. The wife of Davido's cousin, Senior Rambo Kurt, called him out for domestic violence and being broke. Fans are still waiting for more updates on this particular matter because something smells fishy. DJ Copy was also a boss this week as trolls dragged her fiance Ryan Tyler for allegedly cheating on her weeks before he proposed to her. But as always, Copy seems to be unbothered. If only people can be like Copy. Still on the music industry, Mr. Money with the Vibes, Asake, is indeed loved by many as his London concert was abruptly ended because the crowd present was more than the capacity of the venue. Gang. It got to a point that fans were breaking into the venue just to see the singer. Wahala, in Portable's voice. This year can officially be said to be an Asake year, no cap. The bill to ban cross-dressing in Nigeria suffered a setback this week, and the likes of Bobrisky, James Brown, and others were overjoyed. Wahala for who be cross-dresser. So that is all for this week. See ya next week.